Let us explore the Excel interface. It is organized on different levels or decks. On the uppermost deck, we see name of the document. Any new Excel document is named Book 1 by default. Along the name of the document, we see some other icons. These are the quick access tools. The level takes its name from this and is called Quick Excel Toolbar. This is customizable and contains all such tools that we may need to access repetitively. Now, let us look at the second level. This level is called the ribbon, and the first row on it is that of tabs. All Office 365 users are already familiar with the File, Home, Insert, Layout, Review, View, and Help tabs. However, Excel has a few specific tabs like Formula, Data, and Developer. Each of these tabs have ribbons of its own that contains several buttons. These buttons are organized in various groups demarcated by separators. Some of these groups may have a small arrow-like icon. Clicking on this gives us some more options within that group that could not be listed otherwise for want of space. Immediately below the ribbon is the formula bar. We also see here the name box containing name of the active cell. The formula bar is one of the most important elements of Excel that lets us apply mathematical formula on a specified data. Just below the formula bar is the main part of Excel that holds data. This is arranged into columns and rows. We can club many cells together. A group of cells denote a range. A range could be as small as merely two neighboring cells and as big as to span several columns and rows. The name of the data sheet is displayed below these cells. Sheet 1 is the default name of the first Excel sheet that opens. Excel document could open with one or more sheets as predefined. The status bar is located at the very bottom. It tells us about the cell mode. It can also show the sum, the count, and the average of any selected range.